Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to switch out your bowl seat, your toilet bowl seat, and it includes the lid as well. This is the tools you're going to need. Well, not really this is just to open this box, and then you are going to need this depending on the type of screws that is in here. This under these beauty covers, as you can see, it's a Phillips screwdriver. And that's what I have here, a Phillips screwdriver. So anyways, also you might want to put some gloves on since your toilet might be dirty. We just moved into this house, so ain't no telling what kind of bacteria or germs are on it. Anyways, here is the box. I got myself an elongated bowl seat. The instructions are inside, but that's why I'm doing this video, to show you guys. There's the packaging there, and that's where this little knife comes in handy, this box cutter. So you can cut this. Be careful not to scratch your new toilet seat and new lid. And like I said, there are your instructions, but you won't be needing them because that's the point of me making this video, for you folks that don't like to read. And there it shows you two different types of toilets, elongated and round. For me, it's gonna be the elongated one. You just measure. You measure from the top where the beauty cover is, where those bolts are, all the way to the middle of where the toilet seat ends. Okay, and the box also comes with a little ruler on the side in case you don't have a ruler. That's why they say don't open the box until you measure, because if it's wrong, you can go switch it out for the round one, or vice versa. Anyways, here is the toilet lid. So we're gonna start by opening the beauty cover, which there it is there. Use your little screwdriver and loosen it up. And I think it's also got a bolt underneath, like I'm about to show you here, or that little thingy, I don't know what you call that, but it needs two on both sides to hold it in. Anyways, you could just hold that screwdriver and then spin the bottom, or hold the bottom and spin the top, whatever you want to do. Right here I'm holding the bottom and twisting the top. Anyways, I know this channel is supposed to be mainly car do-it-yourself videos, but I figured this could help somebody too. I mean, this channel is based on DIY, do it yourself, so that's why I made this video. That way you guys don't have to call somebody in. Y'all can do little repairs here and there on your house, on your car. Like I said, if I can do it, you guys can do it too. And there it goes. We got the toilet seat and lid off. There's the little holes. Just set that to the side. No, we almost forgot. There's the little hardware there in that blue bag. The new bolts. And I think some stoppers that go on the underside of the toilet seat, which I'm about to show you in a minute. There's the bolts. Those are gonna go on the bottom, and the bolts are gonna go on the top. And they're gonna tighten up on each other. Anyways, here I'm about to show you how to do it. So the washer goes in the bolt, as you can see. Okay, washer in the bolt. Then you get your little thingy. That's how it's gonna go, just like that. Bolt in there, and then they're gonna twist into each other and make the toilet seat not move. All right, so let's go get it done. First of all, let's show you how to do this here. You put the little thingy in there. I don't know if it's a beauty cover or what it's for. I think it's just so the toilet seat don't hit or something. I really don't know. But anyways, if you have them, install them. All right, now we're putting the new toilet lid on there. Also, here's your chance to clean up under there. Since it's not often you have the toilet seat off, you might as well wipe it down. That way you know you got a clean surface. I'm sorry for the unsteadiness of the camera. I had it on my little collar thing. Anyways, that's the substitute for that other one that was on there. Okay, so now the toilet seat is on, and now we try to go tighten it up. Lift your little beauty cover up. I guess I decided to go on this one, on this side here, where I can get a better angle of what I'm trying to show you. So like I said, the bolt goes on the top, just like so. And then this little piece goes on just like that. Okay. Hold it in place and then you spin the bolt into it. I'll get it in a minute, but I'm sure y'all get the point. I ended up doing voiceover because my microphone died. So I hope this video is helpful to somebody. If it is, go ahead and comment, like, subscribe. It helps a lot. It helps the channel. And we're on the road to 1,000 subscribers. You gotta dream big. Anyways, it looks like we got it threaded there. Holding it down now. Make sure your toilet is straight, lining up. You don't want it more to one side than the other. Make sure it's not too low or too high. You just want it right, lined up with your actual toilet itself. So we got that one bolt on. Now we're gonna get the other one on. Anyways, we already got that other one threaded. So now we're gonna go on to tightening it up all the way. Anyways, I don't wanna bore you with this. I'll get back to you when I get everything tightened up. So y'all can see the finished product. This is one of those toilets, slow close, which is pretty awesome. That way we don't have to sit there and close it slowly. You can just let it go and it'll close slowly without slamming, okay? Because that can get pretty annoying. After you're done, close the beauty lid down till it clicks. Make sure everything is lined up, which now let me show you the slow close that it does. At this point, you let it go and it closes by itself. Pretty nice feature. Never seen that before. And I'm only 32. Anyways, if you guys enjoyed this video, like, comment, and subscribe. Have a great day.